Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are diving into a real honest comparisons of Jira versus Microsoft project in 2025. Both are giants when it comes to project management, but which one actually better for your team or your business this year? So let's break down what they do, the features, the pros and cons, and help you pick the right one. So what they are actually. So first, let's quickly look at what they are. Jira made by Atlassian. Here you can see that Atlassian company branded. So Jira made by Atlassian is hugely popular with software management teams. It is best known for agile project. Here you can see their interface. If you click project management, this will be the project management interface. So it is best known for agile project management. Think Scrum boards, Kanban boards, sprints, user stories, and tracking bugs. On the other hand, if I talk about the Microsoft 365 project, so here you will see that on like it is a classic. It's been around for decades and is used for detailed project planning, scheduling, and resource management. It is still widely used by project managers in construction, engineering, and IT, and even enterprise level operations. So let's talk about the ease of use. Like here you can see Jira interface. So Jira can feel intimidating at first, especially if you're new to agile methods. But once you set up your boards and workflows, it is super flexible, perfect for teams that work in sprints and need to collaborate daily. On the other hand, you can see the interface of Microsoft Planet. So here, Microsoft, it is more old school. It uses Gantt charts, timelines, and detailed task dependencies. If you love structured project planning and have big teams with complex deliveries, it is powerful, but the learning curve can be steep. So the agile teams, Jira feels more modern and collaborative. For traditional project manager, Microsoft is more detailed and robust. So let's break down the features of both platforms. So here let's talk about the Jira. Like Jira has Scrum and Kanban boards. So you can see the Scrum and Kanban boards. Then it has custom workflows. That's really amazing to get this kind of a feature. Then it has backlogs and sprints. Also it comes with bug and issue tracking options. Then it has tons of integrations options, like you can integrate Slack, Confluence, GitHub, and many more. Then you will get reports and assignments like burn down charts. On the other hand, Microsoft features are like advanced Gantt charts and timelines, then resource allocations and workload balancing, and then the task dependencies and milestones. Then they will have the budgeting and cost tracking. And then Microsoft project features, if I talk about that, they have portfolio management and multiple projects, and it has deep integration with Microsoft 365 and terms. So if you are managing software development or any agile project, Jira agile tools are unmatchable. On the other hand, if you need detailed planning and big structure project, then Microsoft project gives you more depth. Then let's talk about the pricing of both platforms. Just click to the pricing here. Let's scroll down. Let's see the pricing. Just click to the Jira, and here you can see the pricing for the Jira. So you can see it. So Jira has a free plan. Here you can see it. It up to support 10 users, which is great for small teams. Paid plans start at around $8 per user per month for standard and go up for premium and enterprise features. On the other hand, Microsoft plan has like more expensive. There is a free plan available, but there is a couple of restrictions have. So paid plans start at around $10 per month for project plan 1, but serious plans need project plan 3, which start from $13 per month. So Jira is budget-friendly choice for small and mid-sized team. Microsoft project is more of an investment, but it is worth it for large complex projects. So now let's talk about the pros and cons of both platforms. Like let's talk about the Jira's pros. That is, it is great for agile and software teams. It is highly customizable workflows like it has. Then it has scales like well for small to large developer teams. On the other hand, if I talk about the Jira cons, then I would say it is not ideal for traditional project planning. Then it can feel overwhelming at first. Then if I talk about the Microsoft project pros, then I would say definitely it has detailed scheduling and resource management. It is perfect for large scale complex project. It has strong integration with Microsoft ecosystem. Like there's a cons also have, that is it is steeper landing curve. It has, then it has higher cost, no free, like there is a couple of restriction also have, so it is a couple of thing that we are not allowed to suggest. Then which one should you pick? So if you are agile team, software development startup, or any team that needs flexible workflows, then they can choose or pick Jira. But if you love to manage traditional project with strict deadline, lots of dependency, and large team like constructions, engineering, and corporate IT, then you can easily go with Microsoft Planner. So if you found this honest comparison helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below which one you are using, Jira or Microsoft Project. Thanks for watching.